Expired listings are an absolute goldmine for agents that have got the right systems in place to go after them, engage them, and convert them. And at Listings to Leads, we're going to be having our 30-day Convert Expired Listings Challenge starting October 27th through November 26th. And I want to invite everybody to this. If you are a Listings to Leads client, get yourself into the mastermind group where we're actually posting about it right now. If you're not a client, get yourself over to listingstoleads.com, sign up for a free trial, and get involved with this challenge, because we just had a client who door knocked and expired with the complete marketing plan to get your home sold and got the listing signed while she was there talking to that homeowner. You know, expireds are absolutely amazing. They want to sell. A lot of them want to sell soon. The previous agent couldn't do it. And when you walk in with this marketing plan from Listings to Leads, 24 to 26 pages, of how you're going to market their property across the internet, across the database to the farm, you're going to get more of them listed. So again, get yourself over to listingstoleads.com, sign up for your free trial if you're not a client. If you are a client, I really want to recommend that you get these booklets ordered ASAP, because this is like catnip to an expired homeowner. When you get this in front of the expired homeowner, you're going to close a lot more of them. And for the 30-day challenge, we're going to be meeting every single day in a private mastermind group separate from the main one. So we're going to have a dedicated mastermind group only for the people that are involved with this. You're going to have to be active or you're going to be kicked out. So we want people that are going to take action. They're going to share their successes. They're going to let us know what's not working, what is working, so that we can make sure that by the end of the year, we got 2, 3, 4, 5 more listings that are either live or coming up very soon, so that we can have a great ending to 2025 and an awesome start to 2026. So we're going to be talking about the complete marketing plan to get your expired home sold. We're going to walk through the landing pages, the PDF guides. All of these are available inside of your Listings to Leads account. So get yourself to the Listings to Leads Facebook mastermind group. Ask support for an invitation if you're not a member of that yet. And if you're not a client of Listings to Leads, go sign up for a free trial, get everything dialed in. And then next week, the week of October 20th, that's going to be kind of a pre-launch. We're going to want to make sure everyone's dialed in, everyone's good to go, so that come October 27th, you're ready to hit the ground running and start getting in front of these expired homeowners and start closing them, start listing them, start selling them, and start making more money. So if you have any questions, let us know. We'll talk to you soon.